Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to reduce echo in Audacity in 2026. Echo or room reverb can make a recording sound distant or unclear, especially when you're recording in a large or reflective room. First, open Audacity and import the recording that contains the unwanted echo. Listen to a few sections and identify how strong the room sound is. Audacity may not be able to completely remove heavy echo from every recording, so the goal is usually to reduce the effect while keeping the voice natural. Start by checking the available audio effects and processing tools that can help improve clarity. Depending on your Audacity version and installed effects, you may have different options for reducing reverb or improving speech. Before applying anything to the entire track, select a short section and preview the effect. This lets you compare the processed and original audio without changing everything at once. When adjusting the effect, use moderate settings. Too much processing can make the voice sound thin, artificial, or distorted. You can also use equalization to improve clarity after reducing the room sound. Adjusting frequencies carefully can make speech easier to understand without trying to remove every trace of the room. If the recording contains long pauses, you can trim them or reduce unnecessary sections. This can make the remaining echo less noticeable. For future recordings, preventing echo is usually better than fixing it later. Record in a smaller, quieter room and avoid hard surfaces that reflect sound. You can also place soft materials around the recording area to reduce reflections. Even simple changes to the room can make a noticeable difference. After processing, listen to the full recording with headphones. Check whether the voice remains clear and natural from beginning to end. If the result sounds overprocessed, undo the effect and try a lighter adjustment. Keep the original project so you can experiment safely, and that's how to reduce echo in Audacity. Use moderate processing, improve clarity carefully, and remember that good recording conditions can prevent much of the problem in the first place. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next